Lock stylists been out here charging an arm and a leg to get your hair done. $200 something if your hair is my length. And this is the front of my hair. My hair goes all the way down to my boobs now. So if you need to learn how to do a lock bob, this is pretty much how you do it. So I like to wear mine to the side. I don't like a middle part. I got a long face, so a nice little zoop to cut is amazing. Now, I like to wear my bobs, I would say like about right here. This is all I do to make them stay. I literally fold and twist. Now, these knots at the bottom of my bob is going to be a little smaller, simply because this is going to be, oh, that's too short. Hold on. So now that I see where I want my bob to end, I just take the remaining strand or strands and wrap it around each other. Some people are very anal about how they want their knot to look. I'm very anal about paying $200 at the hair salon. Well, the knot is gonna be fine, however I do it. But I found that just twisting it around the base and taking a rubber band is just enough. There you go. You know, you can kind of shape your knot. And it is what it is, you know? Add another rubber band if you want. I'm going to... But yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, so I'll show you one more time. Don't mind all this white in my hair. It'll go away once I sit under some heat. But you're going to twist it like normal. I, for one, don't like my twists too tight because it start itching. And you know what that means when it start itching. It's ripping. If it's itching, it's ripping. I don't know if Mayer said that, but it sounded similar. But either way, you're going to twist. I like to twist all the way to the bottom, just so when I'm wrapping it, it doesn't unravel. And that can make doing this so much longer. So now what you want to do is you want to match it. You want to match it to the length of your other one. So we're going to lift it all the way up, and we're going to twist. And plus, when you kind of twist it all the way at the bottom, it gives it like that bulky ball look that everybody likes. Balls in your face, girl. Why you got all them balls in your face? But yeah, that's pretty much it. You see your little knot. You grab your band. I picked the worst nails to have to do this style. The band is getting stuck on every gem. I have a gem on every finger. And I paid exactly $0.00 for this because I did my own nails per. Don't look at the cuticles. I ripped them things to shreds. But either way, I'm a DIY queen. And as you can see, like, my nails look good. So my hair gonna look good. So I'll be back to show you guys the finished product, but that's literally all a lock bob is. It looks so goofy when you have two in your head, but I promise you when it's all done, I will look cute. But I'm gonna be back. Okay, I'm about halfway done. I'm getting lazy. Maybe I should start a new trend. Rock on, freaky bro, and have a mullet. Have the lock mullet. Nah, I'm not gonna do that. But anyways, as you can see, it's starting to look like a bob. A bob. But you can see, like, this is just such a nice departure from what I've been working with. So I'm gonna come back for real this time when I'm done. Okay, look, jump scare. I did my makeup, so I look totally different. But this is my bob. Isn't it cute? Now, one thing I can say about my bobs is they need to marinate. I think, seriously. They gotta marinate. My knots are a little swole. But I think it's cute. I think it's different, and I think I just saved myself some money, so.